Hey guys, so here I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how I do the milk bath nails. So first we go in with just a nice thin layer of Light Elegance's Marshmallow. It's a very nice see-through white. It's perfect for these nails. So then I leave that first layer wet, do not cure, and then go in with these little flowers. I just found little cheap ones off of Amazon and they work great. I just put these right onto the nail, just right into that wet layer. Once you get them all down and secured, no petals are standing up crazy, then go ahead and cure those. Once you've got that first layer cured, add a second layer of the marshmallow color. This will just kind of fill in and make them really milky looking. Try to get not quite as thick over the actual flower and a little bit thicker around the flower. That way they will look like they are kind of suspended in a milk. Once you have that second layer on and cured, then I do encapsulate in just a thin layer of clear. After that, I just do my finish filing and shaping. Then I will go in with top coat. Since I've captured this in video, I'm just going to share with you guys really quick. When I was going in with cuticle oil, I felt on the flower nails that there was something standing up and being a pokey. And so I'm just going to show you how I quickly take care of this. I just go in with a buffing file and just smooth it out and just buff it until it's all nice and smooth again. There's nothing standing up, no pokies. And then you just want to cleanse that nail really, really well. Get all of that oil off and then just re-top coat. And here is our finished look. A quick, easy way to do the milk bath nails. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.